Okay, so we have an observation tower, 75 meters high. Support wire is attached to the tower 20 meters from the top. Okay, 20 meters from the top. So that looks like going up that wire, or going up that tower 20 meters high. The support wire and the ground form an angle of 46 degrees. What is the length of the support wire to the nearest tenth? So a support wire comes down on an angle. So here's a tower, right? So we're looking up here. It's like, I don't know, Jurassic Park or something. The tower is up on these stands. The tower needs some support wires to stay standing. So it's a total of 75 feet, but we don't actually need that number. We actually want 20 meters high is where the support wire attaches to the tower. And it goes down. It's not really down. And it's going to head down towards the ground. So step one is always to draw, right? So the wire is going down to the ground. It hits the ground here, and we've created a right triangle. And the next thing we get is that this angle is 46 degrees. So we want to know what the length of this support wire is. So this diagonal wire coming across. Well, all right, let's label up here. Away from our 46 degree angle, 20 meters would be the opposite side. And then the support wire would be across from 90, so it's the hypotenuse. I need one of our trig functions, which is listed on the top of this page, that does opposite and hypotenuse. I look them through, I decide, right, opposite and hypotenuse, I look them through and I decide that it's sine. So the sine of the angle, 46 degrees, is going to, so I can put degrees in there if I wanted to, is going to be equal to the opposite 20 over the hypotenuse we don't know, so we're just going to call it x. Alright, so let's get x by itself. First thing, get it out of the denominator. So 20 is equal to x times the sine of 46 degrees. Now in order to get x by itself, I just got to divide by that sine of 46 degrees on both sides, of course. So these cancel out. X is alone. This portion goes into the calculator. 20 divided by sine 46. So it's going to be equal to 27.803, so that's just 27.80 rounded to the nearest tenth. I mean, 0.8, excuse me, no 0. 27.8, and we were talking about meters. So that support wire is 27.8 meters long.